Hello, what's up, fellow kickers? Hello, today I'm gonna introduce to you again a beautiful bike. Okay? It's another kit bike, but firstly I'm going to introduce some of the characteristic of the company, which is kit bikes. Okay? It was established in year 2000 in Hualien City in eastern Taiwan, where the most beautiful area and the jewel in the crown of La Isla Formosa, Taiwan. Okay, this is where kit bike is established, and the name of its ship designer is Koshi, which is a skilled craftsman since his childhood days. He's been spray painting in cars and motorcycles and yachts, but for now he's addicted to bikes, and is now devoting his 100% skills in designing and painting bike. He's a chip designer of kit bike. Okay, so much for that. We will be starting now the presenting one of its creation, Kit Monster. Okay, it's colored red. By the way, they have their website. I'll be putting the link below of their website, so you can see other options if you want to buy customized frames on a kit. Okay, that will be our first look on the bike. Amazing bike, Kit Monster. For its specific build, it is a 29er bike. Okay, special build for us by Weinmann. We start with the frame. Again, it is a Kit Monster M29A for its model. It has an internal cabling or internal cable routing. Beautiful frame. Both right routing on the left, on the right, and on the right side. Again, it's a small size, small, and alloy 69 triple butted. You can see the signature of Koshi on the frame. Also has a mounting for bottle cage. You can see the beauty of a Kit Monster in this video. That's a 390 mm size. On the top tube, you can see the model of the frame, M.29A. Okay. This is the seat stay. You can see the brand Kit, and the chain stay. It says Evo S. So Kit Monster Evo. For the fork, it has a Suntour Epixon stealth black size 29er. It has a manual air fork, manual lockout air fork. Yeah, you can see the lock is the lock manually. Difference between a remote is there's a remote. Kasi it's manual. Epixon. Epixon. SR Suntour Epixon 29 work. And for the hubs, it's Aeroic AM 8.7 colored red. I believe it's 32 hole, and I forgot to see the number of pulse. I'm sorry for that. For the group set, it says Deore, Shimano Deore M6000. For the crank, it's a 2x crank installed on it, and the FD is also Deore. So the group set, so it's coupled with all Deore brands, from the crank, the chain, the cogs, and the rear derailleur. Sometimes hard for me to pronounce rear and rear, so I'm very sorry for that. I'm practicing more English right now. I'm hoping to not to have a nosebleed after the video. The non-drive side of the crank. For the tire, it has a Maxxis Ikon 29er. It is tubeless ready, and also the rim is tubeless ready. Maxxis Ikon tubeless ready EXO. I'll be researching for the EXO term. As of now, I don't know how to explain it, but for the tire, it's a tubeless ready tire. And for the cockpit, which consists of the handlebar, the stem, and the seat post, it has ABR. The brand is ABR, and the grips is see, it's ABR. And lastly, the saddle, which is the DDK Saddle. That's the spec of our precious bike. It looks comfortable enough for its build. Kind of soft and comfortable. DDK Saddle. Okay, that will be all for now. I hope I present to you the specs of this bike properly, but in case if I have any mistakes or other informations not in this vlog, you can always contact Tons Vargas and Weinmann. Okay, ito nga pala ating shout out nga pala sa ating kasipa na si Christian J. Ko. Shout out sa iyo at sa kanyang kapatid na si Rap Ko. Kasipa, minsan pag nakikita tayo, papicture naman tayo dyan. Okay, maraming salamat sa inyong suporta sa aking mga video. Like and share lang dyan, okay? Medyo hindi naman dumugo ang ating ulong ngayon at medyo nasasanay na tayo, pero para pa rin tayong kalabaw. Okay? Maraming salamat.